Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're not subscribed as yet, please do hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I did these short knotless braids with bead using only one pack of braiding extension ears. So guys, keep on watching. So I've asked here by Youngie to help me with my partings, which I'm going to go through and do some retouch. So first I detangle my hair, then I add some edge control to my ear. I section the ear into 3, then I braid the ear 3 steps down before I start to add the expression braiding ear. So the best thing about doing this hairstyle is I only use one pack of expression braiding ear. So I cut the ear into 3. So after I apply the edge control onto my ear, I put the ear into 3 sections. Then I start braiding my natural ear 3 steps down before I start to add the braiding extension ear. So after I'm finished braiding the ear, I get my scissors, then I trim up the hair. Because I didn't make any ends onto the braiding extension, I had to put the beads onto each braid after I'm finished with it. So I put 2 beads onto the bead thingy, then I put the braid into the opening, then I pull the bead onto the braiding ear, after which I measure the ear to make sure that they are on the same length. Then I use my rubber band to secure the beads onto the braid. So after I'm finished securing the bead onto the braid with the rubber band, I take my scissors and cut off the end of the braid that I don't want, and then I move on to the next braid. It is 12:14 a.m. Sunday morning and I have work, so I'm going to get some sleep and then I'm going to continue with these braids after work. So this is the next day after work, which is the Monday evening, and actually I have to put my hair in one because two of the braids were undone, so I'm going to finish those braids. So after I'm finished applying the braids, I put them into some hot water. So I use my olive oil ear spray to give the ear a little sheen. Then I apply some edge control onto my ear, which I use my toothbrush to do a little something with my edges. And this is the outcome of the hairstyle, and I am so much proud of myself and in love with this style. So now I'm going to show you guys a few ways in which you can wear this hairstyle, and also I think I'm going to make a next video with different ways in which you can style your knotless braid with beads. thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And always remember that love is life and life is love. See you in the next one. Bye.